Welcome back to Car Wow 787, where we bring you the latest and greatest from the automotive world. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most stunning grand tourers of the decade, the 2025 Ferrari Roma. This Italian masterpiece takes everything we love about the original Roma and refines it further, combining timeless elegance, breathtaking performance, and cutting-edge technology. Whether you're a die-hard Ferrari fan or simply love beautiful lyrics-crafted sports cars, this one is for you. So buckle up as we take a closer look at the power, design, features, and performance of the 2025 Ferrari Roma. The Ferrari Roma has always been a symbol of sophisticated performance, blending classic Ferrari DNA with a modern, sleek design. But the 2025 model takes things up a notch. With subtle yet impactful design tweaks, a more powerful engine, and the latest tech innovations, this Grand Tourer is more refined, more thrilling, and more advanced than ever before. Let's start with what's under the hood, because that's where Ferrari always delivers magic. The 2025 Roma still features a 3.9-liter twin-turbocharged V8, but Ferrari has fine-tuned it to produce an even more exhilarating 620 horsepower and 561 lb-ft of torque. This means an improved 0 to 60 minute time of just 3.2 seconds, shaving off a few milliseconds from the previous version. The top speed now pushes past 200 minutes, making it one of the fastest Grand Tourers in the world. But power isn't just about numbers, it's about how it feels. The Roma has always been known for its smooth yet aggressive acceleration, and the 2025 model refines that balance even further. Ferrari's engineers have worked on improving turbo response, fine-tuning the 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, and tweaking the traction control system to make the car feel even more connected to the road. Whether you're cruising down the highway or attacking corners on a mountain pass, the Roma delivers a thrilling yet effortless driving experience. One of the biggest upgrades for 2025 is the chassis and aerodynamics. Ferrari has made the Roma even lighter, using more carbon fiber components while maintaining its ultra-rigid structure. The aerodynamic efficiency has also been improved with an active rear spoiler that adjusts automatically based on speed and driving conditions. This means better downforce at high speeds without compromising the car's elegant design. Speaking of design, let's talk about how the 2025 Roma looks. The original model was already one of the most beautiful Ferraris ever created, but Ferrari has refined the details even further. The front fascia has been slightly reshaped for a sharper, more aggressive look, while the LED headlights now feature a more intricate, laser-inspired design. The signature grille remains sleek and minimalist, giving the Roma its unmistakable charm. Moving to the rear, Ferrari has updated the taillights with a more sculpted, futuristic design, while the quad exhaust setup now features a more pronounced diffuser for better aerodynamics. The Roma has always been about timeless beauty, and the 2025 version is the perfect blend of modern aggression and classic elegance. Let's talk interior now. Let's step inside and take a look at the interior, because that's where Ferrari has made some of the most exciting changes. The 2025 Roma's cabin is a masterpiece of luxury and technology, designed for both driver engagement and grand touring comfort. The biggest update is the next-generation digital cockpit. The driver gets a fully digital 16-inch instrument cluster displaying real-time driving data, navigation, and customizable performance settings. Ferrari has also upgraded the infotainment system, introducing a larger 10.5-inch touchscreen with improved responsiveness and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. One of the standout features of the Roma has always been the passenger display, and in the 2025 model, it's even better. The 8.8-inch secondary screen now offers real-time performance data, media controls, and navigation updates, allowing passengers to feel just as engaged in the driving experience as the person behind the wheel. The steering wheel has also been redesigned, featuring touch-sensitive controls and haptic feedback buttons for a cleaner, more futuristic look. Ferrari has reduced the number of physical buttons, making the cabin feel even more refined and driver-focused. The Manettino dial, which allows the driver to switch between driving modes, remains a central feature, ensuring that Ferrari's racing DNA is still deeply embedded in the Roma's driving experience. When it comes to comfort, Ferrari has made some subtle but important improvements. The leather upholstery is now softer and more premium, with new color and material options for even more personalization. The seats have been redesigned for better lumbar support and long-distance comfort, making the Roma one of the best grand tourers for both spirited driving and cross-country road trips. Ferrari has also added new ambient lighting elements, giving the interior a more luxurious feel, especially at night. The center console has been slightly reworked with a cleaner layout and a more intuitive gear selector. Everything about the 2025 Roma's interior screams Italian craftsmanship and cutting-edge technology. But the improvements don't stop at luxury and performance. Ferrari has also upgraded the Roma's safety and driver assistance features. The 2025 model now includes advanced adaptive cruise control with stop-and-go functionality, lane keeping assist and blind spot monitoring, 360-degree camera with enhanced night vision mode, rear cross-traffic alert for safer reversing, Ferrari's latest traction and stability control system ensuring maximum grip and control in all conditions. All these features make the 2025 Ferrari Roma not just a powerful and stunning GT car, but also one of the most advanced and safest Ferraris ever built. Another major highlight is the Roma's sound. Ferrari has reworked the exhaust system to give the 2025 model a deeper, richer, and more aggressive tone. With active exhaust valves, the Roma can switch from a refined, quiet cruiser to an all-out roaring beast at the push of a button. The symphony of that twin-turbo V8 is pure magic, making every drive an experience to remember. So, who is the 2025 Ferrari Roma for? It's for those who want Ferrari performance without sacrificing everyday usability. It's for drivers who appreciate classic Italian design blended with modern technology. And most importantly, it's for those who want a car that's just as thrilling on a spirited weekend drive as it is on a grand cross-country tour. With its enhanced power, sharper handling, futuristic technology, and refined luxury, the 2025 Roma is not just an update, it's a statement that Ferrari continues to push the boundaries of what a grand tourer can be. And that wraps up our in-depth look at the 2025 Ferrari Roma. What do you think about Ferrari's latest masterpiece? Are the updates enough to make it the best grand tour of 2025? Let us know in the comments below if you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to your channel name, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest reviews, comparisons, and deep dives into the world of high-performance cars. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Keep chasing your automotive dreams.